Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Cade. Um, so today we're going to be talking about Peperomia obtusifolia. If you couldn't already tell, I have two different types in front of me here. I have the variegated and the non-variegated version. So let's just dive into some quick facts about this guy. It's called the baby rubber tree plant. I treat this Peperomia as though it is a succulent. What I mean by that is that I give it bright direct to bright indirect light. Specifically, the variegated version prefers more light to keep that nice kind of contrast in the variegation. So I keep this right on a windowsill, get some direct light every now and then. South-facing window. These guys are pretty hardy. They have very waxy, thick leaves, which is an indicator to me that it can be treated as a succulent, meaning that I really shouldn't water it out until the leaf starts to display some signs of dehydration to me. So if this guy does dry out a little bit too much, I can usually tell just by looking at the foliage. You can see that it starts to get a little shriveled up, and right whenever I see that, I know that it's time to start watering it again and give it a healthy drink. So this guy grows actually really neat. It's just straight upright. I actually had some problems with this guy falling over a little bit, so you might have to stake these guys up once they get bigger. Haven't had any pest problems with these guys at all. Very straightforward, very simple. Easy to care for. To propagate these, you can just cut right below a node. So you could cut just right below where some of the leaves are growing, like right here would be good. Take off that leaf. You can see I have some of the non-variegated one propagating in this water right now. Definitely time to plant, but super easy to propagate, super easy to care for and to manage. Just give them plenty of light. Don't overwater them. I have this guy in a plastic pot, which he would actually benefit probably from being in like a terracotta pot, or even like an unglazed ceramic or something like that, to wick out that excess moisture. But as long as you're not overwatering these guys, it should definitely stay happy. That's really all you need to know. Enjoy your baby rubber tree.